Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to the Maths online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am your Joyce Miss. Do you remember?
What did you learn in the previous class?
Yes, we were learning about shapes. We were learned about plane shapes and solid shapes. Do you remember the chapter name? Yes, shapes and patterns. We have already learned about shapes. Next, we have to learn about patterns. Do you know children, what is a pattern? Let us see. Patterns are all around us. What is a pattern? How can we identify a pattern? Let us see. Patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. That is, a repeating arrangement of numbers, shapes, objects are called pattern. Okay, we all must have seen different kinds of patterns in our daily life, like on clothes, bed sheets, paintings, pavements, etc.
Children, you can find out different patterns around you. Here are some more patterns you can see around you, like patterns in dresses, patterns in flowers, patterns in pavements, patterns in paintings, etc. So, patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again.
So children, today let us learn about patterns and how to make a pattern and how to complete a pattern, etc. Are you ready? Yes. Children, in your textbook, page number 9, you can see a girl. Her name is Sonali. Children, look at her skirt. You can see a pattern on it. It has black and green squares arranged one after another. So, this is a pattern. These squares form a pattern. Children, so far we discussed about concept of pattern and different patterns in our surroundings. Next, let us learn how to make a pattern or how to complete a pattern. First, let us learn how to make a pattern with objects. See children, I have some pens and pencils. I am going to arrange these things in an order. Children, now I arrange these pen and pencils in an order. Can you see a pattern on it? Yes. First, you can see a pen, then a pencil, again pen, pencil, pen, pencil. Tell me children, what will come next? Yes, a pen, because the order is pen, pencil, pen, pencil, pen, pencil. So the next pen will come. So this is a pattern, isn't it? Yes. So in this way we can identify a pattern. A repeating arrangement of things is called pattern. Is it clear? Yes. Do you know children, we can detect a pattern in shapes too. What do you see here? Yes, there is a pattern. First there is a square, then a circle, then a square, then circle. Tell me children, what will come next? Yes, a square. So let us draw a square here. Then what is the next shape? Yes, it's a circle. So this is a pattern. Here we can see a order, a repeating arrangement of shapes. Here we can see a repeating arrangement of shapes like square and circle. So in this way we can continue this pattern. Let us see one more example. Here I have drawn some shapes. First a triangle, then circle, then square. Then triangle, circle, square. Do you see a pattern here? Yes. Triangle, circle, square. Again triangle, circle, square. Children, once we have recognized the pattern, the missing shapes can easily be identified and drawn in the blanks. Let us draw. Tell me what will come next. Yes, triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. So next, triangle, then circle, square. So in this way, you can continue this pattern. Children, I hope you have understood today's class. Today's class was very interesting, wasn't it? Yes. Children, you have to do some exercise problems in your textbook. Will you do that? Yes. Go through the YouTube video, write down the notes and practice it. So, see you in the next class. Till then, bye.